Welcome back to Joy Tutorials educational channel. If you want more updates about education, you can subscribe to my channel. BD first year, first semester, ED and fourth paper, Pedagogy of Biological Sciences, Nature of Science. What are the important questions in examination point of view? I'm going to discussing. First unit, first question. What do you mean by science? In first video, I discussed. This is in biological sciences. Second video, I'm going to discuss define science and explain the nature of science. Define science and explain the nature of science. Here, meaning of science. Science coming from Latin verb sciere, to know, scientia, Wissenschaft, German word. That all you have to copy from first video. And definitions, W. Green, Fitzpatrick, etc. You have to copy from first video. Then followed by you have to write nature of science. Science has certain characteristics which distinguish it from other spheres of human endeavor. Following are some of the important characteristics of science. Here you have to remember formula SP PRIT A TS. Science is systematized body of knowledge. Science promotes curiosity. Science is a particular way of looking at nature. Science is a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science as an interdisciplinary area of learning. Science as a truly international enterprise. Science is always tentative nature of scientific theories. Science promotes skepticism. Okay, this is all about nature of science. You can remember in exam by simple formula SP PRIT A TS. S means systematized body, P means promotes curiosity, P means particular way of looking at nature, R means rapidly expanding body of knowledge, I means interdisciplinary area, T means truly international enterprise, A means always tentative, T means tentative nature of scientific theories, S means science promotes skepticism. Here, science is a systematized body of knowledge. Science is a systematized body of knowledge. Science is a combination of process, product. In first video, I am discussing science equals to P plus P, process, product, MK method plus knowledge, MK scientific method, SM, SAST, scientific method, scientific attitude, scientific knowledge. Okay, that also you have to write here. Then you will be increase information. Here, science is a combination of process and product. Scientific knowledge is in the form of a theory, concept, fact, or principle. This is developed as a result of systematic scientific process, which basically includes observation, classification, measurement, and experimentation. Science promotes curiosity. Scientific knowledge is based on curiosity to know about nature. So everyone have curiosity what is happening in the nature. Here scientific knowledge is based on curiosity to know about the nature. It occupies a central place in science. For example, if children touch me not plant, the leaves fold. This makes the children curious to find out reason for it. This is science promotes curiosity. This science promotes curiosity, very very important. Here nature of science, also we are writing science promotes curiosity. Here next, science promotes curiosity explain like that also, in asking in exam. Okay, next one, science is a particular way of looking at nature. Science is a particular way of looking at nature. Science is a way of learning about what is the nature, how the nature behaves, and how the nature got to be the way it is. Science focuses exclusively on the nature. It is not simply a collection of facts, rather, it is a path to understand the phenomena underlying. Science is just the nature existing around you. Every day we look at the rising sun and pay great respect to it for bestowing the Earth with its light in energy form. Okay, we have to draw as a biological student a nice view of early morning sunrises. Then we have to draw hills, water, birds, etc. Okay, this is science is a particular way of looking at nature. Next one, science as a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science as a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Science is a dynamic, ever expanding knowledge covering every new domain of experiences. Knowledge refers to the product of science, such as the concepts and explanations, research being carried out in the field of science resulted in developing more knowledge at a faster pace, sometimes by replacing concepts, ideas, or principles, etc. This is science as a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Here, the technological developments that took place in the recent times enhanced the acceleration of knowledge. We have to write uh, this information science as a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Then we have to draw human head, and we have to whatever rapidly expanding body of knowledge science, that information, laptops, that inventions, that all we have to draw in here a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. Next one, here these three you have to explain. Then remaining points are then science as a rapidly expanding body of knowledge. After science as an interdisciplinary area of learning, science as a truly international enterprise. Science is always tentative nature of scientific theories. Science promotes skepticism, like that you have to write. Then here so much information is there, you are writing this all information means, then time is not sufficient. Here next in this nature of science, science promotes skepticism. These questions will be discussed in next video. If you want more updates, you can subscribe to my channel. You don't forget, you can subscribe to my channel, you will get more updates about examination point of view, important questions. Thank you.